Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. No, we are talking about the number of cases, the number of coronavirus cases per day as far as India is concerned. I had predicted that after the 9th May 2021, 10 hours, 23.10 hours, when Ketu leaves the Jyesta star, the most ferocious and Drona star, and joins Anuradha, it will be like as if Ketu has lifted its foot from full throttle for the virus spread. And today is the second consecutive day that the number of cases have come down. The maximum were 4.10, 4.12 lakhs. And now today it is, I am told that it is 3.29 lakhs. It is amazing that the predictions are proving spot on. Ketu has removed its foot from full throttle. We are very happy. Astrology is proving spot on. Even the date and time. Today is the second day. And all my predictions as far as coronavirus is concerned, they remain same. I don't change. And you will see it for yourself that they prove 100%. My first prediction for coronavirus was made on the 17th of September 2021 when I had predicted that this coronavirus will come. We did not know it was coronavirus, that a virus will come from China after the 26th December 2019 solar eclipse, because this eclipse is taking place in the 12th house of the China Foundation chart of 1st October 1949, 1515 hours peaking, and the 12th house is the house of 22nd Dreshkon, and there Jupiter, the 12th lord, is placed in a fallen condition. So I had predicted this is most venomous, and Jupiter is a Jiva planet, and there were 6 planets which were taking part in the eclipse, and I had said that this virus will come from China because it was running the dasha of Mercury, Ketu, and Mercury is the 6th and the 9th lord, totally eclipsed by Ketu, the disease Karka. So my predictions proved spot on. Not even a single astrologer could pinpoint that a virus will come. Astrologers had predicted that there will be a world war. Now they are saying that the conditions are like world war. Yes, obviously the conditions are like world war. And then I had predicted that from 24th of April to 16th of May will be emergency-like situations and historic. And we have seen the second wave after Mars transit in the sign Taurus has aggravated the things, because the axis, Taurus Scorpio axis, is the axis of the India Foundation chart. It is the axis of the Pisces new moon chart of India. So it has aggravated, and all my predictions are proving spot on. So I'm very happy. I'm also thankful to my stalwart astrologers who have shared their magical tools, Kurma, Rashi, and Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, which I have used. And not even a single astrologer, you pick out any video, not even a single astrologer has talked about these chakras. And these chakras are the most important. They are the magical tools, and without these magical tools, whatever predictions you are making, they cannot be foolproof. All these were taught to me when I was in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, when I was doing research, and I'm really thankful to Mr. Shri K.N. Rao, who had inculcated the high skills, and the magical tools are proving spot on, using the Rashi Sanghata Chakra, the Nakshatra Sanghata Chakra, the Kurma Chakra, and then the Parashar aspects, and then the Nakshatras, which are most dreaded. Now Scorpio sign is the most dreaded sign because it is also the 8th house of the natural zodiac, and all the diseases, the lingering, crippling, and diseases like TB, cancer are all seen from Scorpio. So if any malefic planet is transiting in the sign Scorpio, and especially in just a star, then they are bound to be diseases like TB, cancer, crippling, and lingering diseases. So this was my base. On the basis of this, I had also predicted that when Ketu ingresses in Scorpio, it will be most venomous, and I had made this prediction somewhere in April 2020, that Ketu going in Jesta star will be leaving deep scars for the world in 2021. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to share that my predictions are proving spot on, and we are happy. We are in a happy state that the number of virus of cases will slowly reduce. But mind you, Rahu, whenever it is in adverse motion, there can be spikes. I've already mentioned the dates, especially in the immediate future from the 13th, between 13th and 21st. So don't say that my predictions are going wrong. Please note this parameter also. Between 13th and 21st, there could be spikes, but the total number of cases may not exceed 4.12. That is the maximum what we have reached, because Ketu was responsible for that, because it was in just the star. And till 16th, things are more precarious. After 16th, things will be better. And after the 11th June and 21st June, we will see more respite. So that's all, friends, I just wanted to share. And as far the stock market is concerned, my predictions for the flash crash of 30th may prove or may not prove. Let's see. But I had predicted that in the immediate future, the stock markets could again touch new heights. When people see that the coronavirus is easing, then they will be much happier. Then vaccines will also be successful. The oral medicines are also coming. So with the success of that, obviously there will be a boost in the stock market. But mind you, the flash crash of 28th April 1962, we have somewhat parallel planetary positions on the 30th of May. It may come true or not, that God has to see, because financial astrology is very difficult to predict. But definitely the other predictions, whatever predictions I've made about 90 predictions, and about 96% of them are true. 4% which are not true, maybe on the financial astrology, and also if I am getting a wrong data, then the prediction can be wrong. So that's all, friends. I just wanted to say, I must congratulate my seniors, my guru, and thank God for bestowing blessings on me for making my predictions correct. I stand up to give ovation to my gurus. That's all. Thank you very much, friends, for listening to me. Have a good day. Best of luck, and bye-bye.